This is a video that will help you understand how to solve for the standard deviation, plus pretty much everything else you need to know about a data set using your graphing calculator. So first things first, we have a dot plot. It shows us people who have pets. So we know there are 2 people that have no pets, 3 people that have 1 pet, 5 people that have 2 pets, 2 people have 3 pets, 1 person has 4 pets, no people have 5 pets, 2 people have 6 pets, okay? So to understand the data better, I just wrote that out, exactly what I just said, and there's 15 people in my data set. Then my calculator is going to tell me that, but just to keep my thoughts together, I have 15 of those. So I have my calculator here. And I need to press the stat button. So it's right in the middle by the arrows. It says stat, okay? Before I can do any calculations, I have to make a list. So see number 1, it says edit. You just press enter. And literally, there's your list. Your list is list 1. And we're gonna put all of our data into list 1. So that means, 0 plus 0. Oh, hold on. We can't do that. Clear. Oh, snap. What am I doing? Okay. 0. Enter. There we go. 0. Enter. 1. Enter. 1. Enter. 1. Enter. We have 5 2s. 2, enter, 2, enter, 2, enter, 2, enter, 2, enter, okay. We have 2 3s, 3, enter, 3, enter. We have 1 4, 4, enter, and 2 6s, 6, enter, 6, enter. So all of my data is entered. I can scroll up to see all of it. Okay. So now I need to go back to the stat button, press stat. And instead we don't need to edit anymore. We need to calculate. So you literally just can scroll through the top. Okay. So we're going to go to calculate, press enter. It takes us, we want to do list 1. We don't care about that. And then we go down to calculate and press enter. It gave us X bar, which we know that X bar means mean or average. So we can, we have that fancy sign like the guy with the little hat on. That's our standard deviation. So our standard deviation is 1.77. We knew already that our sample size had 15 people, but well, I guess we could have just figured out by looking at it. Our minimum is 0, but it calculated our Q1 for us, so we don't have to worry about Q1. Oh, calculated our median for us, calculated Q3, and it calculated our max for us. So we have all these numbers now. If we wanted to make a box and whisker plot, we could. I don't know how I'm gonna hold my phone and make a box and whisker. Magic. So I have this box and whisker, and the minimum is 0, and the Q1 is 1, so that's where the whisker stops and the box starts. The median is Q2. The Q3 is 3, so that's where the box stops, and the whisker goes to 6. So we know that this whisker is the first 25% of our data. This box part is 50% of our data. And the second whisker is the last 25% of our data. So we could say that most of our data, or 25% of our data lays underneath 1, and 25% of our data is above 3. So that's another thought. So you can pretty much use your calculator to do all the calculations you'll ever need, but it's also important that you show that you know how to do it.